What's up, YouTube? So today I don't really have a whole lot planned other than doing the world's fastest front brake pad swap on a Toyota Camry. So I hope you guys enjoy. This is just for fun, just for craps and giggles. So it should be great. The car we're working on is a 1998 Toyota Camry, 3.0 liter V6. Nothing crazy. Like I said, just the front brakes. So yeah. Oh yeah, and just so you guys are aware, it's going to be a pad slap. If you guys are not familiar with that, it's just the front brake pads. So there's going to be no rotors or anything like that, just the pads. I do not, okay, so I just do not recommend doing this whatsoever. I would always recommend getting brand new rotors and always brand new pads when doing this. But right now, me personally, I feel like the rotors are fine. I'll actually check them for you guys. I have a brake gauge and all that fun stuff. I'll check them for you guys to make sure they're in spec. If they are, we'll just pad slap them. But yeah, like I said, I'm doing it because I don't want to spend a whole lot of money on this car personally. It's not my car, it's my father's, so I'm just driving it for the time being. Yeah. What else was there? I think that's it. So let's go ahead and get to it. Two. Oh. Righty tighty, lefty loosey, folks. Always remember that. Actually, what am I doing? What am I doing? Actually, yeah, that's right. That's right. Yeah. And this one, just a loose. Loose. This guy. Go ahead and pull that. And then do that. So it is the wrong way. Ha! Okay, maybe this isn't the world's fastest brake change. It's probably the slowest one. Oh, my bad, guys. I went the wrong way. I knew better. Come on, Zach. You knew better, pal. You knew a lot better. You silly goose. Just kidding. Okay. And this thing needs a lot of new things. I miss my old Camry. I did the lower control arm, the lower ball joint, like various other pieces. And yeah, I miss that car. Sweet. Okay, so from the looks of it, pads aren't too bad. You guys can kind of tell, you know, they're not too shabby. I'm not gonna lie, they're a little warm, so I'm trying to hurry. Yeah, the new pads, or new to me pads. So yeah, they look a lot better. I'm actually gonna save those for last because those are gonna get my hands messier than messy. All right, and that there is how you change the front brakes on a 1998 Toyota Camry. Shit, talking about brakes. All right, so that is a wrap. That is all that we need to do to the Toyota Camry. Just do the brakes. Oh yeah, last thing. So when you guys get into your car, be sure to start it and press the brake. Press the brake until you feel it engage. And then do a quick